So we're just about to arrive in St Ives, and I've just seen a lucky black pug out of the window over there. Look at it. You can see the little black pug. Right, here we come down. You get this fantastic view of St Ives as you swoop down here past the Tregenna Castle Hotel. I haven't been to St Ives. I thought I'd just nip over to the drone footage so that I can explain to you why I think it is the most amazing Cornish town. So we're here on Porth Ia beach at the moment, and as you go up you can see we're now looking over towards the harbour. The tide is out at the moment on the harbour, but when you see us drive past that in a minute you'll see the tide is right up. And then just a bit round to the right from there is Porthminster Beach, another beach. But then as we begin to move around to the left, you'll see just how absolutely amazing the town is. Like, you've got the sort of harbour and the beach, one on each side. It's amazing. This sort of little pinnacle of sand with light just flashing around you everywhere. It's so bright and beautiful. That's called the island there, and on the top of the island you can see the Chapel of St Nicholas, that small building, which is one of many in Cornwall dedicated to seafarers. It actually dates back to the 15th century. But obviously it's an amazingly cool place to go for sunset, and when we zoom a little bit you can just see like people lined around the edge just for that crazy sunset moment. And then in the back, past that, is Godrevy Lighthouse, which is an absolutely stunning place, and just around from there you can see all these beautiful seals laying on the beach, but we'll go there in one of the later videos. As we move back round to the right, we were staying just about here, just quite close to where there's some famous artist studios that well-known artists like Patrick Heron had studios in. And then in front of us now, what we're going to head towards, the sort of white square building with a sort of white rotunda on the right. That is Tate St Ives, which has obviously got loads of wonderful art. And that's us down there on the beach, and you can see the pug just on the left-hand side of me in my red hat and blue anorak. If you haven't subscribed, this would be an absolutely wonderful time to hit that like button and subscribe to TravelDog. And now we are heading back into the car as we head into St Ives. There it is, and you can see all St Ives laid out down there on your right-hand side, all down to that beautiful little island section. Now we've got to weave through the streets to try and get down to the apartment, which can be a bit of a mission. Weaving through the streets. Oh, you've got a beautiful view there as well. Weaving through the streets here can be a mission, especially when it's holiday season. There's about 9 million people wandering around. Now you've got some more cool views as you come down here, leading out towards the island, all the different bits. Look at that beautiful sea boats out there. You've got the, what's the lighthouse called? Godrevy, that's it. Godrevy Lighthouse that Virginia Woolf wrote about in a book called, funnily enough, To the Lighthouse. You come around here, this is the bus stop where you get a bus to Zennor, which we'll get in a few days' time. And now we are going to weave down through here, which is tricky. Come down here. Got all sorts of dog food shops around here. Got estate agents. We come on down all these little quaint streets. On the right, in the moment, you have one of the most important shops in St Ives, the Co-op. And as you can see, it's a mission to drive down here. There's 1 million people just ambling through the street the whole time, with their dogs as well. Okay, strolling on down. This is the harbour with the tide in at the moment. See all the boats up on the harbour. The place is full of party people. It's a beautiful harbour, man. Look at it. Everybody chilling out. Beautiful harbour.
High tide.
Yeah, seagulls. Yeah, high tide at the moment. Tide's right up. So now it's going to be a nightmare to park in, and I've finally found a car parking space at the railway station car park, but it has been a nightmare. We are trying to download the app with not great 4G for the Just Park app, because that's the only way you can then get a weekly ticket for cars. As far as I can see from this app, you can actually spend £25 on 20 sessions, which is a dramatically better price than anything else. Just trying to get the app to work. which is all spinny, spinny, spin, spin at the moment. It's really cold now, but heading back to the place. Realised I don't have to pay for the parking until tomorrow morning at 8, so I can fiddle with the app to my heart's content. There's the beautiful view of St Ives down there. We are somewhere over in that bit there. It's just so pretty, look at that. So I'd planned to vlog the entry into the apartment as we arrived, but there's no car parking space for this one, so it was all a bit shifty. So I'm going to vlog it now as we leave. We had to actually just park here on that slope, hoping nobody got angry while we arrived a week ago or whenever. Anyway, this is the place up here on the left. Mariners, yeah, this little spot here, 2A Mariners, just by the Bible Christian Fellowship. Shame we can't park there, frankly. It's really difficult with the parking because the streets are so narrow and everybody's juggling back and forth through them the whole time. Anyway, so this is the place, 2A Mariners, cute little building. It's just the downstairs part of it. Here we go. Got like a little airlock section here where you can put like boots, crabbing buckets, stuff like that in this little bit here, coats. And this is the main section in here. Refugee channel on the iPad. Got all the usual stuff. Actually, it's quite warm. Got lots of nice radiators. Got a pug having breakfast as we're literally about to leave. TV. Nice little table. Microwave. Cupboards to put your stuff in. Sink. Electric hob's always a bit of a pain, but it was fine, frankly. Knives, actually the knives are quite good. Sometimes the knives at these places are absolutely useless because they do quite a lot of cooking the fish you can get here and stuff. Nice little pictures, sort of giving us some St Ives vibe, little sort of lighthouse. Now that is the main thing about this place. That phone is on the window ledge because otherwise there's no way to get any Wi-Fi connection. There's no Wi-Fi in here, which is frankly a real pain because the walls are so thick that you cannot get any 3 or 4G either. So they had to keep leaving a phone right there the whole time so we could actually get some connection. Then come through here, you got the bedroom, nice bed, actually quite comfy the bed. More little nice pictures, making it look nice, little towel rail. It was really warm actually. Bathroom not bad. Obviously not the biggest bathroom you've ever seen in your life, but it was fine. Bit of a squeeze, but it wasn't bad at all. Shower's quite nice and warm. Got some little cupboards to put all your towels and stuff in here. But yeah, not bad at all, frankly. Not bad at all. Pug's enjoying it because Pug's eating some pastry that's put in there. So first night madness, we've just gone for a bit of stuff out in the town. Refugees gone for what? There's like a mad pizza van down by the harbour. Refugee has got best pizzas on earth. Look at that.
There's beef and jalapeno, and it's meant to have like sriracha sauce or something. It's called Stone.
Oh, it's called Stone. Very cool. It's a pizza van down by the harbour, but it's by the lifeboat station.
Really nice. Thin, bit of crust, not too much. Lots of cheese, which is really nice. The meat's very nice on it. And it's actually quite spicy. Like in a good way. Like, it's not too spicy, but it's a good amount of spice. And I think it's actually really one of the best pizzas we've had, to be honest.
It's a really nice pizza actually. Look, you've got a really decent amount of actual stuff on it, of meat and jalapenos and the rest of it.
I think that's an easy 8.6.
8.6. Go on, give it a 9, then we can call it a Puglicious.
I'll give it a 9.
9, Puglicious. It's got a Puglicious stamp from the Refugee. Okay, it's got a bit of classic fish and chips for the first night from, I need to check the name of the place, I think it's called Harbour
Fish and chips.
Something rather. He shuts really early, shut at 9 as I left basically. But look, it's absolutely really nice. Look at that, large cod, absolutely divine, look at that. Mushy peas and curry sauce. Look at that curry sauce, man, baby. That's actually really tasty, nice, sweet, kind of spicy, succulent. Yummy. Let's try the mushy peas. Look at those beasts. They're more like a chilled, like carbohydrate, soothing kind of thing, like sort of comfort food. Almost a bit like Jollibee. Check out the Jollibee review if you haven't. And then look at this absolutely beautiful hunk of cod, large cod. Look at it, man. Oh, look at that baby being cracked open. Look at it. Oh, look at that hunk of beast cod. Hunk of beast cod. That hot, beautiful. That's just so good. That's absolutely stunning. Man, it's so fresh and beautiful and milky. It's genuinely absolutely divine. It's a piece of fish. Fish in St Ives is just the most amazing thing on earth. It's just absolutely fantastic. It's just so super dreamy and joyful. Absolutely amazing. Fish is just so good. So good. You don't eat anything with it, just on its own. So curry sauce, chips, baby.